Hi cherubs, it's Miss Shannon, and this week we're learning about the ocean. What kind of water is in the ocean? Salt water. So for this experiment that I want to do with you today, I want to compare the different kinds of water. So for this experiment, we're going to need some salt, some sugar, and some baking soda. I also have tiny cups filled with water that we're going to put each thing into, and I have them labeled. We're also going to need either some grapes, which I have right here, some raw eggs, or if you have those little fake gemstones, those work just as well. All right, so let's get started. First, I'm going to take the cups that says salt. It says salt, and I'm going to pour in 2 tablespoons of salt. 1, 2. Now I'm going to take my spoon just to stir it up a bit. And there's my salt water. In the next cup that says baking soda, I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of baking soda. 1, 2. And I'm going to stir this one up just to get it all mixed up together. In my next cup right here, who can guess what I'm going to put in it? I'm going to put in sugar. 2 tablespoons, 1, 2 of sugar. And I'm going to stir that one all up just to get it next and mixed. All right. Now, in my last cup, I just have plain water. There's nothing in it. It's just the drinking water that we use. All right, let's show the next part. All right, so for this experiment, we're gonna first take our plain water, there's nothing in it, and we're gonna drop a grape. What do you think is gonna happen in the plain water? Do you think the grape will sink or float? Let's see. What happened? The grape sunk to the bottom. Let's check our other waters and see what happens. What do you think is going to happen when we drop a grape in the sugar water? Do you think it'll sink or float? Let's see. What happened? It sunk to the bottom. Let's check our other waters. Let's drop a grape in the baking soda water. What do you think is going to happen, cherubs? Let's see. It's kind of hard to show. You guys can see it pretty good. It sunk, which is strange because I thought it was going to float. Maybe I didn't add enough baking soda. And that's okay. Sometimes things don't go the way that we think they will, huh? All right, let's check the salt water. All right, now let's drop a grape into the salt water. What do you guys think is going to happen? Let's see. What happened to the grape? Can you guys see? It floated to the top. Isn't that so cool? Did it float to the top in any of the other waters? No, only in the salt water. Do you know why it floated to the top? Why do you guys think? It floated to the top of the salt water because the salt in the water made the water more dense or thick or heavy, causing some objects to float. Isn't that so cool? Well, thank you so much for doing the science experiment with me, cherubs. Bye, guys.